Are you simply rolling the dice when it comes to route planning for your business? You've got your kung fu down with your point of sale and e-commerce systems, and your business may be thriving for now. But as you continue to grow and as the work keeps rolling in, the burden might just become more than you can handle. Daily route planning starts to feel like an unsolvable puzzle, and the less time you spend on trying to solve your puzzle, the better it is for your customers, crew, and your business altogether. Now, using Route4Me's route optimization engine, we solve your routing puzzle for your business and your drivers with the click of a button. Keeping your customers happy, getting the most out of your crew, and eliminating overtime. We provide you with profitable routes quickly and automatically in mere seconds with our AI Plus technology. But because you know your business better than anyone, you can also change or customize your routes at a moment's notice. And those changes will automatically update across all connected devices. So whether you have 1 or 4 or even 100 drivers, you can stop trying to solve the impossible puzzle of dynamic route planning and focus on the needs of your customers and crew. With over 500 million stops planned, Route4Me has powered the carbon-neutral last mile and prevented over 10 billion miles from being driven. That's the equivalent of planting over 87 million trees and counting. Maintain your sanity and eliminate guesswork when it comes to routing with dynamic route optimization by Route4Me.